Okay, since we are going to compare the ancient tea from Sichuan with tea tree's age over 200 years old and the organic tea from the Laobanzang organic tea plantation with tea tree's age around 30 years old, then I'm going to teach you how to make pu'er tea proper as well by 盖碗, okay? By 盖碗. We boil the water freshly. This kettle is very special. It can keep warm, keep the temperature, avoid dropping. Yes, the differences between the two is that this one is from the normal cake, and the organic tea, as you can see, that's from Pu-erh Cha, the new one. I haven't tried yet. From the such tiny cake which can be easily break, so it's very tight. In this way, when we make it by especially the first brewing, when moistening the tea, it takes longer time for the organic tea to wake up, to moist the tea. Okay, so first we warm up all the tea wares. This is the organic. You can see the color is looks like younger, like the a little bit white, the light green color. This is the ancient. This one smells better. Sweet, flowery, pure, has a little bit the high-fired aroma. This is typical pu'er tea. Now, even 2 years later, I can still smell the sunlight, more like the fresh sun-dried leaves. After all, it's very young, just 2 years old. But it's different from this one, which means that they use different processing. Yes. So definitely this one, the ancient is used the traditional pu'er tea processing methods, and this one maybe they played trick. Yes, we will see. When we put water in the 盖碗, please try not to flush the water directly on the tea leaves, okay? So you count. Then 10 minutes, 10 seconds. This one I would prefer 20 seconds, it's too tight. It's very nice, clean. It has some greenish. Very pure. The smell of the cup. Fair mark. 公道杯. 公道杯. Do you know why it's called fair mark? 公道 fair. Why? Because by mix all the tea, you can put either 1 cup, 1 blue, 2 blue, even 3 blue inside. That can mix the tea evenly. Then you divide the tea in the tasting cup to serve each one the same amount to show fair, to show equal. So this is fair mark. 公道杯. It's quite light. But still, I can smell the very fresh clean aroma, a little bit of flower, some like the green mature leaves, a little bit woody, and the morning foggy aroma. Can you imagine what's that? In the foggy morning, then you can smell such. That's a nature. Now I smell quite a strong flowery aroma. It's more like some milky flower. You know, there's some kind of flower smells like the milk. Yeah, this is traditional, authentic pu'erh tea. How about this? So in this one, I smell 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 aromas. Yeah. This one is very different. Sugarcane. The fresh sugarcane plants. Some greenish, like green vegetable. I cannot find anything more. Yes, I cannot find anything more besides the sugarcane, fresh sugarcane, which is light sweetness, and the green vegetable. Yes. Okay, so let's make the tea. Then I would start with 10 seconds. Okay, 10 seconds. I will say. It's the first time I make the two cakes of tea. Ten seconds. The color, from the color you can see, yeah, it's older. definitely this one is older, and this one is younger because it's greener. And this one looks like, okay, I do not want to misjudge it. Let's change the position. Yeah, this one, the color is more oily, which means that there contains higher content of those compounds. Can be the tea soup will be thicker. We'll see. Still very young. But it's very nice. It's very well balanced. I feel my whole mouth is quite aromatic. Even the teeth roots. The teeth roots. This is very good. And the sweetness is full in my mouth. This very nice feeling, throat feeling, is light. This because this is the first brewing, and the sweetness and the throat feeling is light. It's good. However, it goes quite deep. Yes, I feel good. I like it. Let's wait a little bit. So after you drink it, if you really want to test how long this sweetness lasts, you just wait, and you can count. Yeah, it's quite nice. Let's see this one. This one is quite young. As long as I drink it, I feel plain watering. Why? Because the ancient is more sweet, and for this one, the terpenes, the tannin, is quite rough. It's not smooth, rough. It smells quite high. Oh, I think the temperature for processing this tea is quite high, so I drink more like some green tea. It's not that bitter. See, this is 老班章, the tea from 老班章. Usually 老班章 tea impresses most of you. Wow, it's very powerful, it's bitter. This is not bitter at all. The sweetness is different from this one. This one is quite stable, smooth, and nice. So the first sip I took, I feel like the two kinds of sweetness was fighting. Now I feel a little bit the astringency of the left one. Okay. So from the first blue, at least I prefer the right one. I prefer the ancient. The tannin is very rough, not ready yet. I don't know why they make such cake. This might be the testing cake. Testing sample. They sell this one. The size is 60 grams. The retail price is 160, which means that for the normal cake, we can times 6. That is near 1,000 for one cake. Not cheap, but sorry, I have to judge it. This tea, maybe possibly you store them for 1 or 2 years. Not good for store them for quite a long time. If you prefer something like green tea, yes, this one is the style for you. This is the tea for you. But I do not recommend you to store such tea has the flavor of green tea or oolong tea or black tea to store quite a long time, because the processing methods are not authentic. Sorry, I tell the secret, because this is from the very famous, not very famous, it's quite famous company, yes, and this is a new product. Now I feel like in my chest this part is quite dry, it's very dry. Let's make it brew the 2 types of tea 3 minutes, okay? Three minutes. Let's have a look. Because by brewing the tea 3 minutes, that can be easily to know its weakness. Let's have a try. It's quite normal, pure. This one is like some cooked, now like they cooked vegetable. This one is nice, still a little bit smoky, because after all I smell the meat and a little bit of flour. Green vegetable, cooked green vegetable. Sorry, I'm comparing the tea. When we really appreciate the tea, we should not judge, like criticize. Let's have a try. So the two, this one is still very quite orange. This one is in yellow. Yes, light yellow or brown yellow. It's very bitter. The bitterness dominates the flavor and ends with some astringency, yeah, but it goes very rapidly, and the tea soup is still smooth. It's very bitter, strong, but it's not too bite. Okay, just one is enough. Let me drink some pure water. Sorry, I should prepare. This is very strong. Now very sweet. So after drinking something very bitter, when you drink the pure water, yes, it's sweet. That's why someone says that aftertaste sweetness is an illusion, because after we drink some tea, bitter tea, we would feel sweet because of the composition comparing. Well, of course not true. Aftertaste sweetness, that's the feeling when those compounds are being like hydrolyzed, either hydrolyzed or decomposed by the enzymes, like by those protein in your mouth, in your saliva. Okay, let's try this one. So when you evaluate the tea, actually you can just use any way you want, but find the good side, the highlights, and the weakness. Look at my elbow. My whole mouth feels numb. And this bitterness goes deeper. Okay, now it's gone. Still a little bit. So what do you think? Or what do I think? Regarding the two, the ancient, the organic, which one is better? Of course, this one is better, and it's the traditional processed. This one can now is still you can drink. I can enjoy a little bit, but if I store this for longer time, I would enjoy it much more. And this one, like now, I don't think I would really enjoy it even in future. So let's make the tea another 20 seconds. We will see how stable the tea soup is. Now, because it's lighter, what we do, we can raise the kettle higher, use the water stream to flush the tea leaves. To give the strength to extract the tea. Okay, so like this. Usually we do this when the tea is lighter at the late stage. My shield. Okay. The blue leaves are very different between the two. This one is greener. This one looks like more tender, but yeah. Let's see. I feel a little bit tea drunk because too strong. I feel relaxed now. Nice. Finally, again, I can enjoy it. The same. It's well balanced. My mouth is full of these aromas. They are sweetness, and it's smooth. Nice. Let's try. So this one is quite stable. After we brewed 3 minutes, then we make another. The third brew is 20 seconds. So it's still very thick and round. Yeah, it's very nice. I like it. This one is light. But I can feel its dominant bitterness and the very sharp astringency. Really, it reminds me of green tea. I don't drink it. I do not say green tea is not good, because if green tea is green tea, why going to enjoy green tea is the quite sharp, direct aroma. But if we use some processing the method for pu'erh tea, then this is not pu'erh tea, this is not green tea either. That would not be good for storing the tea. Yeah. This one is a little bit cloudy. So you can see. Okay, you can see. This is the first time I try this cake. and the organic tea as well. So that's why we like ancient tea tree tea, because in most cases the ancient tree tea is quite good. I have some reaction. So yeah, that's true. That's why most of us prefer. There's another issue. Although we know that like those tea, if we export to European countries and America, there is the European organic certification. That is a key to open the market. However, does organic really means high quality, good taste? I don't think so. It tells the truth. This one is organic certified, but it's Chinese organic certified. So far, the Chinese certified, I've watched the news that now we have even more those test like index. So it still means no harm at all. But the test, no. So I want to say that if you really want to enjoy the tea, yes, of course you need to find the right suppliers. Yes, and you should not just see the label. Organic does not exactly mean high quality, okay? High quality. And yeah, regarding the ancient, most of them they sell the fake one. So if you really want to enjoy the good tea, find trustable suppliers. If you like, yeah, I can introduce you some. That's my job. Okay, that's it. And okay, one more thing you can see. These two leaves. This one still like those leaves are alive, but this one you can see, yeah, the color are less glorious. Less glorious, see? So it's almost dying. Sorry about saying that, but that's it too. Okay. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. In near future, I'm going to make more videos, either in the tea factory, tea mountain, or when some tea farmers, to provide you more information about how to find the good tea, how to evaluate and enjoy the good pu'erh tea. Okay? Thanks for watching this again. This is Mabel. Hope you enjoying this random video. See you. Bye bye. See you. Bye bye. Very soon. Yes. Thanks for watching the Chinese Tea Art Junior course. If you like it, please share it with your friends. Okay. Bye bye. Bye bye.